Hi bass players, welcome back to the channel, Tatiana is here. Today I'm checking out a new device which might be really interesting and useful for you if you want to record your bass or electric guitar and if you want to stream your playing online. It's the Synido Live Dock audio adapter. I've been testing it for a while and I'll show you what actually works well for me and what could be really useful for you. Let's get into it. It's interesting that previously devices like this were called audio interfaces, but now the new ones go to the market named audio adapters. I think it's because the letters AI you might use for audio interface are now mostly associated with another meaning. People might think you're talking about the artificial intelligence instead. So it's a new audio adapter. First, I really like this design. The device is small, light, gorgeous, and it has a built-in cable to connect with your computer or phone. It also has this adapter for some phones. This little box is easy to carry in your pocket or backpack if you want to do a field recording somewhere. Using this audio adapter takes some power and it might drain out your device, your laptop or phone connected to it, but here's the charging input and you can even charge your device, your phone or laptop through this audio adapter. So, recording. I've got my bass plugged into the instrument input on the Synido and the device is connected to my laptop with a built-in USB-C cable. I don't need any plugins to start working, it's just plug and play. My computer recognized it immediately. Easy. The sound is clean, full and quiet enough. I can adjust the level of it if I want. I didn't even have to adjust anything in the settings. That's already a win. I think I like it better on a bigger volume. One of my favorite features of this device is Bluetooth playback. You can connect your phone or another second device by pressing the BT button, pair it, and play your backing track or YouTube video wirelessly. Now, any audio, YouTube, Spotify, backing track, etc. from your Bluetooth device will play through the Synido and be included in The sound now is mixed with your live instrument. That's really good for practicing or for recording a quick video without running some extra cables and finding some strange ways to download that track from the internet and put it into your DAW and mix it. And no more Bluetooth speakers balancing on the amp. Next, the Loopback button. This button is supposed to let you capture everything you hear, your bass, your playback, any computer audio into one recording or stream. It didn't work in my DAW for some reason. I work in Reaper and I tested it in a Reaper. It might be working in some other DAWs, for example in GarageBand. I haven't tested it there. However, I found out that when the audio adapter is connected to my phone, I can use it. I turn on the background audio and the loopback button. I can't hear the music right now, even in headphones. I'm filming something random, and when I play the video, the sound of my background audio is there, in good quality. This button doesn't look like a necessary option for me, but you might be able to find a good use for it. Anyway, this is one of the features the device has. Now, what can be really useful for streaming? I don't do streaming, but some people might find it really good. If you stream your playing or you teach online, this part is for you. There is a mic input, so you can plug in your mic and balance your voice and bass or the guitar right on the device. This is the 3.5mm input, which is good for many designs of little mics for streaming. I don't have a mic like that. This will not replace the XLR input and won't give you a studio quality vocal sound. If you find a couple of adapters and connect the good microphone with XLR for singing right here, the signal most likely will not be sufficient. However, for streaming, just talking using the mini jack input mics, it will be fine. You plug the headphones here. They are for monitoring the incoming signal so that you can mix your mic and the instrument. You can get a nice mix for your stream or online lesson without needing any extra mixers. If your signal goes to the DAW, you will not hear the processed sound from your DAW here. This is just for the input signal. This stereo cable from the box can go from the headphones input to the loudspeakers if you want to use them instead of the headphones to monitor the incoming signal. This adapter can also be useful for this. Now, what I really like about this device. First of all, it's the design. It's beautiful, I like the colors, and it's small and it's light, it's easy to carry on. Then it's plug and play setup, it's fast and reliable. Then Bluetooth connection for backing tracks. You can plug and mix two devices like your laptop and your phone at the same time. And now, what could be better? There is no opportunity to plug in the XLR mic or any mic with an input different from the mini jack one. Then the Loopback button could work in my DAW. And when I use it for filming with my phone, that would be great to be able to hear, to be able to listen to that backing track while I'm filming. But for the size and the price, it's honestly a great option for the guitar players and or bass players who create content and who want to record themselves or who just want to practice with tech. If you are interested, check the links below this video. This device is budget friendly, but you also can get a nice discount if you use the code from the description. So that's Synido audio adapter, a compact tool that is designed to let you record your playing very easily and or stream it if you want. If you are looking for something simple that lets you record straight out of the box, this might be it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want. I've got more videos coming soon about different tech devices and bass techniques which are going to make your bass life easier. See you next time and keep grooving!